Usually ahead of a major snowstorm, people are out picking up the big three: milk, bread, eggs. But there's something else you don't want to forget: your medications. Lauren Linder reports.
Ahead of this weekend's snowstorm, folks are picking up anything they may need, including their prescriptions at pharmacies like Spartan here in Brentwood, something that may not have crossed your mind. Employees are hard at work at Spartan Pharmacy off Brownsville Road, making sure everyone has their medicine before the winter storm hits the region. Stephanie Berard was one of those customers who realized she better get her refill early just in case.
I needed it for next week, then who knows how long the snowstorm could last.
CEO of the pharmacy, Jody Mitchell, says things are starting to pick up at their 3 locations.
It hasn't been too crazy yet, but we anticipate it getting a lot busier on Friday and Saturday.
To prepare for that rush, they're bringing in more staff the next 2 days, but they don't want people to panic.
We'll get you your medicine, just give us a call, give us a little time.
Though not knowing how much snow we'll get, Mitchell encourages you have enough of your meds for at least 36 hours to get through Tuesday or Wednesday, and to anticipate they'll be closed at least on Sunday. And the thing is, even if the storm isn't bad here, that doesn't mean it won't impact their deliveries.
Our wholesalers have already sent us emails saying that they're expecting weather delays.
And if you lose power and have refrigerated meds, know that many will be okay for a short time at room temperature. To help, try to avoid opening your refrigerator and freezer doors. And the more you have inside filling space, the colder they'll stay.
I would not put your refrigerated medications outside because you do not want them to freeze.
As for Berard, it's about preparing for the worst and hoping for the best.
I would rather have done this for nothing than not be prepared.
Now, if your power does go out and you're worried about your specific refrigerated medicine, make sure to call your doctor or pharmacist. For now, reporting from Brentwood, Lauren Linder, KDKA-TV News.